what woman likes in a man or what she sees. A courageous person, assertive, confident, warrior, royal person, and they get attracted to this. So these are the quality which is needed for the attraction of female. At the same time, after attraction, her expectation is you are asserting, you are confident, you are a royal, you are a warrior, you are courageous. And the moment she takes one step ahead and she gets frustration. ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता कहाँ से है और क्यों आया? ये सारी क्वालिटीज मेल के अंदर, मैन के अंदर प्रेजेंट है. बट द मोमेंट दे फेस द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट फ्रॉम अ फीमेल, very limited female, could be mother, could be wife, could be girlfriend, could be daughter, with very inner circle की जो फीमेल्स होती है उसके साथ में अगर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हुआ, either male become intellectually very high or he gets detached. उसके पास सारी क्वालिटीज है, उसको बॉर्डर पे भेज तो he'll be happily win the war. बट उसको बोलो कि ये वॉर, घर की वॉर, मम्मी, वाइफ, गर्लफ्रेंड, बेटी, इसके सामने वॉर जीतना, डिटैच्ड. इंटेलेक्चुअली अगर वो हाई होने लगेगा, देन ही विल स्टार्ट फाइटिंग, कन्फ्रंटिंग, एंड एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट पे ही मे बिकम वायलेंट ऑल्सो. और अगर डिटैच हुआ तो आइदर ही बिकम्स रोबोट और ही टर्न्स हिमसेल्फ इनटू एंड्रॉइड. आप कुछ भी बोलते रहो, इससे ऊपर नहीं आएगा वो. एंड दिस फ्रस्ट्रेट्स वुमन at the top of the hill. I am talking to you. You are not responding me. You are not giving an eye contact. You have transformed yourself from a human being to a robot. I have given you 4 figures. Mom, wife, girlfriend and daughter. The moment they criticize him, he is unable to confront. The moment you confront the person, female confront the male, suddenly he starts thinking. Because female की ये capacity है कि she will throw all the garbage. And I am not prepared to take that all the past hurt or the past my own mistakes. And in that, she will say few things which is very, very important, which is eye-opening for me. Oh my God, I did these things unknowingly, but I did. And this I am not ready to face. Then psychologically, I shrink my own emotion. I become a small child within. और बच्चा क्या करता है? मैं 60 years का बंदा श्रिंक होके इमोशनली 3 साल का बच्चा हो जाऊंगा. एंड देन 3 साल का बच्चा will either do a zit या violence because I am afraid from within. ये कंपोनेंट ध्यान में रखो. I am afraid from within. This fear is creating shrinking of my own emotion and I am becoming a child from within. Now let me explain you first the neurochemistry of the brain. When you face anxiety and fear, your neuroplasticity, the making of your brain, the listening and understanding capacity of your brain stops. इसके लिए आपने देखा होगा कि जब फैमिली में जब दो लोग डिस्प्यूट में आते हैं तो they lose the capacity of listening. Once they lose the capacity of listening, the capacity of speaking becomes more wider, more broader. I keep shouting to my partner keeps shouting on me, and nobody listening. Then when you settle down, when your brain start listening to you, तब याद आता है, ओ मेरी वाइफ ने मुझे ये भी बोला था, ये भी बोला था, ये भी, how dare she can? But that's too late. Now this is the problem. I always say कि problem को discuss करते रहेंगे तो we can discuss the problem for years together. What is the solution? In this situation, protect your heart. But how? Just create an awareness. Okay, she is my mother, she is my wife, she is my girlfriend, she is my daughter. And what will happen if you don't protect your heart? You also get triggered. And in that trigger, you go at the highest level of your conflict. And then, when you go into a different direction, then jagda, and then conflict, and then conflict, and then more conflict, and then you end up with the relationship. You'll end up with a court of law. You'll end up divorce. Don't hear anything 90%. But whatever they are telling, 5 or 10% तो उसमें सच्चाई है. When you go to dig the gold mine, आपको 90% मड मिलेगी, उसमें मट्टी मिलेगी. ऐसा, these are the gold mine people. They will give you a detailed experience and honest answer for that 5 to 10%. Take that 5-10%, accept it, correct it, rephrase it, implement it, and then again come into relationship with the same people, and you will see growing yourself. So one small component, protect your heart. Create an awareness. Whatever your partner is telling, 90%, 95% may be wrong. Don't hear it. But at least 5% here, have introspection, have awareness. He or she is a human being. You are creating, you are actually searching a gold from a gold mine. You have two options. Either you go into disturbances phase, or you protect your heart, understand your partner's visibility, correct yourself, and move ahead in life with understanding. So you have two options. Either you run away from the war, or stand strong with your heart. Have courage. Have courage to accept your mistake, to accept your weakness. And then you will see that you are growing. The moment you have a conflict, you have opportunity to grow. This is the wisdom. This is the bold. This is what I want you to do. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Don't forget to bell the icon. Love you all. Love you all. Love you all. The best way to do it is to do it.